For sour people, people, please pay attention, people. I need the sour. I need some money for sour. Oh, you want to take a picture with the poster too? You want to take a picture with the poster too? Take a picture, baby.
Thank you.
Oh, you want the hug? I want the hug too. What's up? I want the hug. I want the other hug though. Now hold on. I want the hug too, sir. No. Turn around.
What?
Turn around. Why? Like that. Let me get a hug from there. There you go. Like that. There you go. We're 42nd Street, sweetheart.
Can you take me the picture?
Where the dreams come true.
Yeah?
And we fuck gorgeous women like you all. We give you all the drugs. Hold the poster. You sexy. With the poster. You hold the poster. You hold the poster. No. Don't do that. You mine. No. You mine. For tonight. I got money. I got debit card. I got a hotel.
Mine is not important. It's not. It's the heart and respect that I like.
Don't give him your number until you gotta give me yours first. Nah, I hugged you from behind. I did. I made the first move. You trying to say up? It went out. It don't work. Give him a fake number. Give him McDonald's number. All right, we're in this documentary right here. This is brought to you by. Yo, do you see this guy right here? His antics. It's your boy Wavy the Force, live and direct in New York, man. We here, we don't bullshit or talk. Just get the dough and walk. You dig?
Would
you like to speak in the mic section? Say something sexy in Spanish.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Todo bien?
Dígame papi.
Papi chulo.
Ay, Dios mío, mami. Cálmate. Te voy a dar este beef en tu boca. Si tú quieres. ¿Tú quieres este beef en tu boca?
Oye, yo hablo español, no se habla así, ¿eh?
Pero tú entiendes.
Claro, pero yo hablo español.
¿Tú quieres este beef en tu boca?
¿Qué pasó? Maldito.
Ahora. Where you going to? Oh, he wants his Facebook. He wants his security number. Yo, he wants the marital status. All that, baby. Take a picture. Take a picture of my baby right here. My baby. No, I don't respect. Unless you want me to say. You are.
Thank you. I'm not big.
No, you are. She got a daughter with her. That violated her.
Fuck out of
Yo, y'all taking model pictures? Yep. The background, yes. Very sexy. Yes. Peace, God.
Yo, God, you almost on my phone. What's up?
All right, God. Let me take a picture real quick with this.
That's nice.
With the young, you know.
Peace.
You know what I'm saying? Like, you know.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? Can I have you tonight? Can I have you tonight?
What?
I said, can I have you for tonight?
Oh, good looking.
Yeah? I need money for weed.
Nice. It's nice.
Can I have you for tonight? Can I have you for tonight?
What?
Come here. No, I never said that. I never said that. Never said that. Yo, let's keep the dog film. We're about to see what I'm sure.
¿Tú haces los videoclips?
Sí, yo hago los videos, lo que hago son los videos de...
Yo hago videoclips por música.
Oh, de música, sí, yo hago eso también.
Oh, yo pensaba que tú dijiste Kama Sutra.
Hold on right quick, guys.
Yo cantar.
Oh, tú haces música.
Claro, yo cantar.
Ok, ¿qué tú haces?
Jugando 7 radio saliendo.
Está bien, entonces, sí. Yo puedo grabar todo eso.
¿Grabas todo? ¿Puedo?
Sí, hasta en la lluvia.
¿Es verdad?
Sí, sí.
Ahora mismo.
No vuelvo porque igual
¡Antigua!
yo aquí.
¡Dame la chocha!
Yo la de mía. Pero me damos un mes.
I'm out of here, son. Get a stick on me. Thank you, baby.
You guys are cool, ¿no?
Thank you. That's all it is. I only want to know your name. That's it.
Sí, no americano.
I need money for weed. Hello? Hello? I need money for weed. Anybody got money for weed? I got cancer. You want the social security number? Doctor orders, doctor papers. Check me out on Instagram. I want to get to know the Don, Dapper Don. Fuck out. Yo, what's up? I want to blow down some trees. All right. Dapper Don. Stop. Stop. 456 the movement. Peace, Bob.
Yeah. Good looking.
So, baby, we're gonna make a tape tonight. We're gonna become millionaires. You know why? Can I tell you why? I look like Drake a little bit.
We're about to end this, man. This guy right here is off the hook. What's your name, man?
My name is Dapper Don, aka Dap. And 161, 183rd. You heard? Let me, the beautiful, sexy lady over here with her daughter. Show some respect, or you get knocked the fuck out. Watch the shit. Sexy. That's how it is. Nah.
Yo, hold a second. Toma. Toma.
Gracias.
De nada. You got a dollar?
¿Ah?
You got a dollar?
Quiero
What you doing?
quiero en la boca.
No, gracias.